Straining at a computer screen for a long time can lead to eye strain, poor vision, dry eye, headache, neck pain and shoulder pain. In this video I am going to share you 5 tips and eye exercises to relieve the eye strain due to computer vision syndrome. So let's have a look. Hi everyone, myself Dr. Pradnya and welcome to my channel Doc Vertex. This channel is all about vision-based vision product information about various ocular allergies, infection prevention and treatment of all these conditions. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. Lot of people spending their time on a computer screen, also on mobile and laptop screen, which lead to the eye strain, especially strain between the eye, headache, neck pain and also shoulder pain. So I am going to tell you the 5 tips and for relaxation of the eyes and exercises to relieve the eye strain due to computer vision syndrome. Now tip number 1 is to take frequent breaks. You have to take breaks while looking continuously on screen of computers, mobiles or laptops. When you look continuously on a screen of mobile, laptops or computers, your eye muscles undergo spasm leading to the pressure in the eye. So you can get eye strain, headache, shoulder pain and neck pain. So you have to follow 20-20-20 rule. Means after looking for 20 minutes on a screen, you have to take a break of 20 seconds. And after that you have to look at least 20 feet away so that your eye muscles get relaxed. So while taking a break you can have a glass of water so that it will prevent your eyes from getting dry, as it will hydrate your body and prevent the symptoms of dry eye. Now tip number 2 is to adjust the level of your computer or laptop screen so that the level of the screen should be below the level of your eyes, so that the rays coming from the mobiles, laptops or computers will not hit your eye directly and resulting in dry eye and other eye fatigue and other symptoms. So the level of the screen should be at a lower level of your eyes so that the rays will not affect your eye directly. And you have to keep the screen of the computers or mobiles arm distance away so that you get a space and it will prevent a direct effect of the rays coming from the screen, so that you will not have symptoms of dry eye. Now tip number 3 is to adjust the setting in your device. You can increase the font size in your device so that while looking at a small font size, your eye muscles keep on in a working state continuously, leading to the fatigue in the eye muscles and leading to the eye strain. You will have headache, especially in the brow region, while looking at a small font size. So by increasing the font size you can get a relief of that brow ache. And you can also adjust the level of the brightness. You can keep the level of the brightness according to the whichever is comfortable for you. And if your device is having a night mode, please keep that night mode on during the night hours. Your device may be having setting that the night mode will get on automatically during the night hours. If this setting is in your device, then it is well and good. Otherwise you can on the night mode during the night hours, so it will prevent your eyes from fatigue. If you keep the night mode on, it will protect your eyes from the rays which will affect the melanin production in your eyes. So night mode is very essential. If you keep the night mode on, it will definitely benefit your eyes. Now tip number 4 is related to the dry eye symptoms. While focusing on a screen of computers, mobiles or laptop, even during reading, our eyes are under hyper focus state, so that the blinking rate is reduced. The normal blinking rate is about 15 to 20 per minute, so during a normal conversation, but it will reduce to 4 to 5 times per minute when we are focusing on a screens or while we are reading. So you have to blink frequently and purposefully, so that you will not get any symptoms of dry eye. Or if this is not possible, you can put certain drops such as which are the tear substitute, which will relieve the symptoms of dry eye. I have made a separate video on a natural remedy for dry eye. I have given a link in a description box. Please check that link. Now tip number 5. I will tell you certain eye relaxing exercise, so that your eye, if you have to work on a computer screen and it is unavoidable, then after working for hours and hours, you can have these exercises so that your eye muscles will get relaxed. Now the first exercise is a cupping exercise. For cupping exercise, you have to rub your palms so that heat will be generated in the palm, and then you have to make a cup of your palm and put this cup on your bony orbit. You have to just cup. You have to just cup the eye. You don't have to give pressure on the eye, and this margin will touch the bony orbit of the eye and make a cup to cover the eye, so that the eye muscles will feel the warmth of the palm and it will get relaxed. You can do this exercise at least for 30 seconds, and if you are comfortable, you can do this exercise for as long as you want. Now the second exercise is a direction exercise. You have to look in different direction of the gaze. Basically there are 9 gaze. The first one is a primary, means you have to look straight, and then the four direction of the gaze is, first is up, then down, then right, and then left. At each position of the gaze, you have to hold your eyes for at least 5 seconds. Now these are the 4 gaze: up, down, right, and left. And the primary, that is a 5th. And now the another 4 is a right upper, then right lower, then left upper, and right left lower. Now the total 9 gaze you have to hold the eye for at least 5 seconds in each gaze. That is the primary gaze, then up, down, then right, left, then right upper, right lower, and then left upper and left lower. This will relax your eye muscles. Then the third exercise is a circular motion. You have to move the eye slowly in circular motion, first in a clockwise direction and second is in anti-clockwise direction. This will relieve all the fatigue in your eye. After having work for hours and hours on computer, you can do this exercise. This exercise will definitely will relieve your eye strain due to computer vision syndrome. Though then also, if you are having eye strain, then please consult the ophthalmologist, as there may be another reason, as you may be having glasses or some other reason behind that eye strain. So please do at least an annual checkup of the eye. If this information is helpful for you, please like this video and subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much.